doing what's best for you always feel good, because it don't. Who don't like that? You know, just do a little retail therapy. But I didn't get to do anything ratchet. You just want to be by me, that's all. Of course we had to get the vinaigrette. Girl, anybody told you to get up here? Welcome back to another video. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Olivia. Hello, hey, welcome. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you might want to stay, because you might have some fun. But as y'all can tell, I'm in a completely different setting. Your girl is dog sitting this week. Is this butter? Hold on. Your girl is dog sitting for a couple days for a family friend. She's gone to her daughter's baby shower, so I'm here dog sitting. And it's so fun because I feel like, well, yesterday was my first night, but I didn't pick up the camera because I was just trying to get accustomed to the dogs, to their schedule, everything. So it's currently Friday, February 9th. It's really nice because I feel like I'm in a little Airbnb. So what I just did was I just got home, well, back to the house. It feels like home though. So I just got here, I took them out, they went and used the bathroom. But I just feel inspired to make content because I'm in a new environment. Y'all are seeing me in a new environment. It's fun for y'all, it's fun for me. So what we're about to do now is we're about to feed them. But yeah, this is just like a little chill, relaxed vlog because it's something new to do. But let me introduce y'all to the dogs. All right, so these are the Mighty Musketeers. So Ruger, why are you breathing so loud? All right, so this is Lincoln. And I have what they are in the description box. But this is Ruger. And this is sweet little Riley. Hey girl, they already eat, y'all. They know their food is in this door. But these are the dogs. These are my fur babies for the next few days. They have already grown on me. So we're finna feed them. And I have to kick them out while I get their food ready. No. Y'all, they're all standing around the door ready to eat. But their food is just right here. So everybody has their own little scoops. This is Riley's. This is Lincoln's. This is Ruger's, and they all have what they need and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make their food, find a way to set y'all up. Actually, I forgot Lincoln's bowl. Let me get that real quick. Okay, this is Lincoln's bowl. Okay, come eat. His has to be filled with a little bit of water though, and he gets fed on the, for some reason he gets fed on the dishwasher. Because he's so tall and stuff like that, so. Okay, there you go. Y'all eat to y'all's heart's content. Cause I gotta pee really bad. I'm trying to use the bathroom. Can you go somewhere else? Hey, stop. I'm trying to use the bathroom. Go. I just want to pee in peace. Go. You just want to be by me, that's all. You know what? I need a man like you that just want to be by me. Cause you miss me. Cause I've been at work all day. Surely you did. And you just want to sit here while I use the bathroom. That's totally fine with me. Hey, go back over there. Okay, y'all. So, per these last two vlogs that y'all saw, my birthday vlog, I'm trying this front camera thing still. But it's so hard. Girl, anybody told you to get up here? Come here. Let the people see you. This is Riley. She's an Australian Shepherd. I think, is that what you are, girl? I be getting confused, but yeah, she just done hopped up here. So, you want to say hey to the camera? That's fine. But, yeah, I haven't had a dog in so long. So, I'm a little rusty. But anyway, we tried this front camera. And I'm just trying to look at the camera, not at myself. Because if I look at myself like I'm doing now, y'all gonna think I'm crazy. So I'm trying to look at the camera. But it's like 6 o'clock and I am tired. I did not sleep well last night at all. I do not sleep well in unfamiliar places for the first night. This house is real cool and calm, chill. Yes, I know, but that's just not, your girl don't sleep well in unfamiliar places. Especially because we kind of out in the woods. So, but I need to go back home because I'm only like 20 minutes away from my house where I live. So I need to go back home, pack me a bag because I only packed me like an overnight bag for last night. And I said I would come back and go back home and pack a bag. So I need to do that. I need to find some food. But other than that, like, I think this weekend it's just giving peaceful in the house. Like, I'm reading, I'm healing, I'm journaling, I'm doing all that this weekend because, yeah, I really feel like I'm in an Airbnb. Like, I'm so excited to be here because it's just me by myself. And I love that for me. So, yeah, we finna, follow what we finna do. So, yeah, I'm finna probably get in the car, go back home, pack me a bag, like I just said, and then find something to eat. And then nobody tell me that all the Twilight movies on Hulu. I saw that last night. Why did I not know that? Like, did y'all know that? If you're a Twilight fanatic, comment down below, let me know. So, yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah. Girl, who are you yelling at? You wanna play with the big boys? This all they want to do, come out here and make mess and start trouble with these other dogs on the fence. Come here, drop. Okay, y'all, so I am back. The things I just brought from home, so I just got some protein powder, some of my sourdough bread, some avocados, some thick cut bacon, and then some chicken. I might meal prep this. I might cook this tomorrow if I don't go nowhere. I don't know. Who knows? Like, we just got vibes. So, put this in the refrigerator. But yeah, I was not lying when I said the fridge is like fully stocked. Who don't like that? Like, it's fully stocked. But then I'm going to use this Ninja tomorrow. She said she's never used it before. So, we're going to see about that in the morning. Let me put this back. Just gonna wash my hands, sit down and eat. But yeah, y'all, my food was so fresh. I was like, hold on, I gotta sit down in front of the TV and eat this. Like when I opened up, the box was smoking, so it kind of does shifted in the car or whatever. But yeah, this is my chicken finger plate, my grilled finger, my stuff. I'm gonna put, really, they not bad. It's her that love to be everybody plate, so I'm gonna put her up before I start eating. But yeah, I'm just gonna see. They chill. Yes, ma'am. Hey y'all, so good morning. Happy Saturday. Today's Saturday, February the 10th. I've been up for a while. Like, first of all, I woke up at like 5 o'clock this morning because I guess my body thought we had to go to work, but girl, it's Saturday, no we didn't. So I woke up at 5, then I had to go back to sleep. I let the dogs out. They're outside again right now. Like, Link is waiting for me to let him back in. Like, he's not having it. So he's waiting for me to let him back in, but I don't know. I just feel the urge to do something. I'm gonna clean up in here a little bit because these are not my dishes. She was saying before she left, she wasn't able to like unload the dishwasher and like put the dishes in the dishwasher, which is completely fine. Like, I'll go ahead and do that. But it's just been a slow morning. I uploaded a video this morning. I just spent it in bed because I've been on go so much. So I just spent in bed. It's like 11:30, something like that. So we just chilling. I'm not super hungry right now. I'm just gonna clean up, spruce up a little bit, try to get myself together. But I want to do something today. Like, I don't know. It's because if we went to brunch last weekend, it wasn't ghetto or ratchet enough for me. Like, I really just want to say it's still my birthday and go do something. Like, am I crazy? Y'all think I'm crazy for that? Am I delusional? Because I really don't celebrate the whole month of February. Like, I just celebrate Aquarius season because I don't really like, I mean, no offense to the Pisces and everything like that, but I just don't really like celebrate the whole month. That's why I started celebrating January, quote unquote, or at the end of January. But I just feel like brunch was so nice and classy. And if you haven't watched the video, go watch it for last weekend. But it was just so nice and classy. but I didn't get to do anything ratchet. And I was watching a vlog this morning. If y'all don't watch Brooke Kennedy, I love her channel, you know. I was watching her vlog this morning. They went to this place in Atlanta. It's one in East Atlanta and it's one off Camp Creek. If you're familiar with the area, it was called Blue Cantina. And they had a time. And I'm glad she dropped where she went because they had a time. And I just really want to go have a time tonight. Like an early time, like maybe like 5, 6, be back at the house by like 10. Because I don't need to be out all night. I have to sing tomorrow at church. We're going to see what the vibes are. I'm just going to feed them. Let me just get their food together. Get myself together. And then once we figure out what we're going to do, I'll come back on camera. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. It is Sunday, and as y'all can tell, no, we did not come back and check in yesterday because we didn't go to Blue Cantina. Y'all, when I tell y'all yesterday, all I did was sit in the bed and watch Pretty Liars. And it's low-key, like, put me in a mental funk. Well, no, like, I was gonna go yesterday. I really was. But then by the time I got up to get ready, the sky decides to fall out. Like, it was pouring raining where I am. I don't know where in the other areas, but it was pouring raining, so I was just like, don't really want to do that. So, but I'm in a bit of a mental funk. Like, this whole, like, I swear, like, every time my birthday comes up and it passes, I be trying to, like, reflect on the year and what I want to accomplish and stuff like that. So this week, I just kind of been, like, I don't know, taking out things that don't really align with my goals, or that be things, people, places. So always don't never let nobody tell y'all doing what's best for you always feel good, because it don't. So I'm in a little bit of a mental funk. And then Riley done got sick last night. She done threw up about everywhere. I'm not gonna show y'all that part, but I need to clean that up. And she's not feeling well, so I need to figure out what's wrong with her. But dog sitting reminds me how much I love not having responsibilities. Anyway, we just finna get up, kind of like try to take the day back. It's about 1:30-ish something. This clock's a little fast if y'all can see that, but we just need to get up and do some stuff because I don't want to be in a mental funk. I really want to go get a planner today. My cousin is having a Super Bowl party, and I don't really know if I want to go because it's all the way in Atlanta, and I don't feel like driving all the way to Atlanta, especially from where I'm at right now. Let me stop rambling. But yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna go to that or what we're gonna do, but we do need some food. So I'm gonna like clean up a little bit around the house, which is what I was supposed to do yesterday. Feed the dogs. Yeah, we'll see what we'll get into after that, because I cannot be in a funk. I hate being in mental funks. I just want to be happy and peaceful. He didn't sign, that ain't a good sign. It's natural. I don't care if she making it up. Trying to be the one for you, but my nickname Drew. I just pulled up to TJ Maxx, and it's crazy because as soon as I come out the house, it look like the sky about to fall out again. But I'm already here now. I got my raincoat on, so I don't mess up my hair, and it's pulled back. But we're finna go in here. I want to see if I can find, which I would have went to Target, but my town don't have a freaking Target. So I want to find just a journal and a planner, because for my Bible studies, like when I be reading the Bible now, like I'll be like, I should probably write this down. So I want like a journal for that, specifically for that, because I got bunches of journals. Like I carry this around in my purse all the time. Like this is my life journal. When I'm just out and need to jot something down, like I always keep it on me, because I'm a writer. You know, you gotta write that down. But I need a journal, that, and then I need a personal planner, because I have a work planner, and I used to like do the both of them in like one, but I don't have enough space. And like work these days, I be so busy at work, like all the little columns and spaces, which really I need to separate them anyway. So yeah, we just at TJ Maxx, finna see if I can find this journal and this planner. And like TJ Maxx don't only have clothes. Like y'all know what TJ Maxx is. Y'all know they just got random stuff in there sometimes. So fingers crossed we can find something cute. And, you know, just do a little retail therapy, because it's kind of needed, very much needed. So. That was a pretty successful trip. At first, I thought I wasn't going to be able to find no planner. I'm like, TJ Maxx, how y'all don't have no planner? But y'all, this one was literally hiding. So, of course, I got this one. It says new day, new mindset, new focus, new intentions, new results. And it's just got some, I don't know this wide rule. But anyway, I like how I got the date right here on it. And this was like $8. It was $7.99. So I got this for my Bible study in the morning. And then literally this planner was hiding. It was hiding. And I hate that I just got it, because tomorrow's February 12th. So it says weekly planning pages, monthly calendars, but it goes by like the day. So like had I gotten this in January, I think I would like it a little bit better. But that's what it looks like on the inside. And then I'll turn. So this is like what the month, this is like the beginning. So then when you get into like the month, see, this is just unused space. Like I'm so mad, like, cause all January stuff is gonna be blank, but we picking back up in February. So as y'all can see, like, and it closes like that, and I could just easily drop that in my purse, in my bag.
That's what's right here, Mom.
I'm gonna show you my chipotle. Of course, we had to get the vinaigrette, but all I got was, I feel like this, my total came out less than what it usually be, but I just got chicken. I don't be getting the rice no more. Like, even when I go eat hibachi, so I just be trying to get the vegetables. So I just got chicken, hold on, chicken, corn salsa, queso, sour cream, guacamole, tomato salsa. I think I said everything in the vinaigrette, but y'all, it's still ass feeling like when you don't get rice. It's just, it's mainly just protein. It's like a little keto thing, because it's just protein and like veggies and stuff like that. But yep, I'm gonna sit here and watch a little bit of YouTube before I had to head back out. And tell me why I thought I was gonna come over here and wash a load of laundry, but we ain't even got no, we don't have no laundry detergent. So I'm not gonna get that done, but yeah.